Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me in another video. So today I'm doing how to stretch your hair, your curly hairstyles. Today I'll be stretching out my finger coils, but this method can be used for twists, twist outs, wash and goes, and all that good stuff. So I've had these finger coils for I think 4 days now, and they've really shrunken up a lot. And now I'm in the mood for some stretchy coils and nice stretched out styles, you know. So I will be using heat for today. Yeah, so I'll spray my hair with some water, then use a heat protectant, and then use my blow dryer. So the heat protectant that I'll be using today is by the Perfect Hair. It's a South African company. Hope this can focus. Doesn't seem to want to focus, but I will insert a picture of it so you can see it clearly. But this is this product is from the Perfect Hair. It's a South African company, probably South African, and I really like it. I've been using it for some time now, I think about a year, and it's lasted me quite some time. Yeah, as you can see, a little goes a long way. I use this quite often. So this is the Perfect Heat Protect, South African company, and it's really nice. And then for my finger coils, this time I tried something different. I'm usually Aunt Jackie's person. I love the Keolala, the flaxseed gels, but this time I decided to try something different. So this also is the South African product. This is the BLM for natural hair, black like me for natural hair, and this is the Kale Hydrate pudding. Yeah, so that's what I used, and I must say I love the definition of my coils. They feel soft and hydrated and everything good, and it's just like a nice fluffy but firm feeling. So if anyone is interested in using this, I would recommend it. So yeah, that's what I'll be doing today. So if you want to see how my stretched finger coils will come alive and come into fruition, just keep watching. So if you haven't already, please subscribe. All my subscribers, thank you very much for subscribing. I've been away for some time, but from now on I will try to be more consistent and put out more content. So thank you for watching, and keep watching.